Well, she's quality and got a place to park in the corner. You know what they say, nobody puts baby in the corner. I don't know, that ain't baby. Although, it is a half decent truck. That's cool. I like the furniture. Yeah, you got a business in it. Chicken was actually, that lady was pretty cool. She actually subscribed to my channel. I never tell people, but I did this time. Hey, we got a decent little pool. Looks like it works. Yeah, gym ain't bad. Looks like everything works on here. I actually could come work out, but I have paperwork to do. Hey, just to catch you up though, the last video I said everything was going horrible. Guess what? At 9 o'clock in the morning, we were approved and we were back on the way. They do have a guest laundry. It's kind of small though. Yeah, I was super surprised when that happened. When I got that, like, I looked at it, I was like, holy crap, we're good to go. We're back on. I was stressed, but we're good now. This hallway is very dingy. Okay, so this room's a little chilly. We got, oh, I like the headboard lights. We're gonna turn this on. But, oh, we're not gonna do 56 degrees. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna pump that up a lot more. And just so you know, the TV works. The microwave looks like it works. Ooh, that's a bigger fridge. I like that. And it works good. This chair, oh, that's a little hard. I don't really like that much. Just kind of, that's all you get. You know, most of the time, it's either way. But, oh, that's a thick comforter. That's heavy. I'm not a monster. I can't just flip-flop on sides of the, don't get me wrong, sometimes I can. But most of the time, okay, that was a little much. Was not expecting the big bang when I flopped down. So yeah, most of the time, this is my side of the bed. My wife sleeps over there. It's her happy time. So, yeah. You get a little hanging closet thing to put your suitcase on. Ironing board. Yeah, I did that backwards. I like this lamp. That's cool. Let's go check out the bathroom. I like how they did this. I had to blow my nose. It happens, you know? And also I gotta shave really badly. You know I love me some crook neck shower heads. It's the plain old Q shower stuff. I really like this mirror, but these towels, itchy and scratchy. That's the only thing I see so far in this place. It's really kind of a nice deal. I mean, that lamp, it ain't working, so I say it was just all plugged in somewhere around there. That's fine, I don't need it. There's not a rolly chair here, which if there was, that'd be nice. Because I got some stuff to do. Clean shaven. Let's go eat. Yeah, and then I gotta get some work done, I promise. And no, I'm not going to the Mexican food place. But there is one over there. But the town diner is over here, attached to the Wyndham Garden Inn. That's it. And that starter was like another $45 a night. It's a lot bigger, and it doesn't look like that many cars. So I'm sitting here and I'm like, I don't understand why it's that much, because it looks like a junk hole. But again, the Alchemy Diner. Oh, I'm in Ackney, Iowa. So yeah, sorry, I didn't tell you that. Well, that's kind of cool looking. That's really kind of cool looking. Wow, it's a long ways in here. Maybe I should have stayed here. Huh, long way. Long way. Long way. Long way. That's kind of cool. Not a real big portion size. Okay, that place was kind of cool looking. Like an old, oh, yeah, that too. Like an old little 70s diner. 60s, 50s. We're gonna go 50s. I kind of liked it. So, anyway, I gotta grab my clipboard and then I gotta do some paperwork, and actually not paperwork, but I gotta catch up on some stuff and get lined out and get it organized and wrote down. That way, whenever I get home tomorrow, not actually Friday we'll do it. We can go in and get everything organized. My wife wants to create this whole big spreadsheet. That way we can track everything and blah, 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 what we got, what we missed, and everything. It's a big deal. It's got a blue elevator. Blue, lonesome and lonesome, so true. I think it was Leanne Rhymes who did it last. I think it was Loretta Lynn to begin with, but Leanne Rhymes, I think he did it last. Alright, y'all. See you in the morning. No, God, I slept well. I say that. I get up like 17 times, so that's just so that pee. So I'm old like that. I didn't make coffee. I'm so comfortable on this bed. Oh man, these guys are not hot. Towels are itchy and scratchy, but they can't help that. It's just the way they are. Once they get wet, they start getting soft. But that's just the way endured weave towels are. Now that I'm all pretty, let's begin. Again, I already stayed here. It's not bad. Probably should mop the floor. I don't know what that is. That's not bad. Pretty clean. A lot cleaner than a lot of them I've stayed in. So, yeah. I would 1000% stay here again. If I was coming through Bobtailed, heck yeah. Good spot, food next door, everything's great. I highly recommend this place. And, I'm trying to pull that off. Okay, in here. So, but yeah, I recommend this spot. Plus, the lady downstairs subscribed to my channel, so, you know, if you're watching this, leave a comment, because thanks, I appreciate you. And everybody else who subscribed and comments and likes it. So I just got dropped off by that Uber, and I'm going to tell you, it's a sad deal, because she's got her daughter with her, and her entire life is in that car. And she's just trying to make enough money to feed her and her daughter, and get a hotel room for the night. So I just gave them some money. I don't know if that's true or not, but I know all of their, like, they've got their bags in there, and now they barely had enough room for my stuff, and I sat in the front. But it makes you think, no matter how bad your day is, somebody's having a way worse experience in their life. So you're probably gonna ask, where the hell am I? Chippewa Valley Regional Airport in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. It's a super busy airport. I mean, phew. As you can tell, there's just so many people over here. So I am actually early. My flight doesn't board for another 2 hours probably. So I'm just kind of chilling. Security doesn't even get here to open up for another probably hour or so. And then after you get in there, then you get to sit in this room for no reason whatsoever, for the only flight that they'll have today. But I would rather sit here than anywhere else. So, for no reason whatsoever. But they got cool stuff. Like, you can look at this kind of stuff. I don't know what that's for. You can learn about their pedal trails. You can see all their Wisconsin stuff, right? The Cornhusker conversation. And apparently, you can come here if you want to do some stuff that's crazy, like skydiving. Skydiving in Wausoda? Skydive Wausoda? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, you can skydive here. Well, I know I'm not going to be skydiving at all. That's not going to happen. They got 2 airlines. They get United and Sun Country. I think it's cool that they got a little room. I mean, you can like sit here and play games and stuff. Bullseye's the only thing that counts. That sucked. One more time. That sucked. One more time. Oh, I really suck. Who told me I could play games? I shouldn't be playing games in here. Okay, so I've got 2:38. Yeah, about an hour. Hey, there's the ride. Also, I forgot to tell you, it's Wisconsin. Of course, there's a bar. Yep. I'm in the gate area. Security's over there. And I'm just waiting to get on the plane. Going uphill the jet bridge. It's kind of interesting. Anywho, I'm tired. I would have edited this thing out. I ain't got much to do stuff. And I got a 3-hour layover in Chicago. If we get in and they don't delay us, because they're in traffic control. So.
When I travel.
Okay, so that flight attendant, Julie, she was amazing. And so much fun, and I appreciated her. And they get a little bit off those coats. So if you're thinking about getting a credit card to fly or something like that, use her coat. That was it. How hard was that to do, dude? And also, why the hell didn't they give that thing a Cubs jersey when they were making a run? That's bullshit. I like different spots in the airport. The only problem with me being in Chicago with long layover is I know the bartenders really, really well, and they all decide they want to get me drunk. I literally had to say, hey, I gotta go and change. Like I literally went to 8 and stuff. That way I can get away because I can't turn down free drinks. Especially when they're slid in front of me. Like I feel obligated to, partake. So, but anyhow, all right. Well, I'm gonna get off here. Let y'all be. God bless. Love you. Ain't that cool? I love that. They got a plane in the airport. So, laters.